Hello guys, welcome back to VFix Technology. As we were working on our Laravel CRUD series, in this video, we will be learning how we can show the old form data. As you can see into our form, if I fill it and submit, and if an error happens, the data is gone. It is not even showing. So we're going to make some sort of arrangement. If an error happens in any field, at least the old data would not be gone. It'll come back as it was before. So let's jump to the VS Code and we're going to come to the form. All we're supposed to do, just pass the value and a function called old and the name of the key, which is in first case title. In case of image, keep in mind Laravel may not re-show the image because for security reasons it could not be done. However, we might not show the files, but yes, we can show this text at least. So in case of body, we're going to say value, and it is supposed to be old, and the name of the value, the key, which is body. Now in text area, keep in mind this is pretty important. Let me show you what I meant. Let's refresh the page. I filled the body, okay, title, and submit that. Now you can see this thing is showing again. It did not go. Let me fill the body and submit it. It is not showing, right? But it's there because we just passed into the value. In case of text area, we're supposed to pass within the text area too. So it is there, but it's not showing. So we have to make it twice within the text area and between the text area like this. Let's check it now. And there we have it. There's some space issue. Let me try to fix it if I could. Okay, let's see if it works. Perfect. Let's refresh the page. And there we go. Now it's talking our language. So we have successfully saved our data. If an error happens, the form data would not be gone, and it could not be done in case of files or images. So in the next video, we will be learning how we can go ahead, store the data into the database through the Laravel CRUD store method. Stick with the series and subscribe the channel. Thank you.